In the world of SUV studless winter tires, Michelin's X-Ice Snow SUV and Bridgestone's Blizzak DM V3 are top contenders. Each offers unique strengths tailored for winter's harshest conditions. Let's compare their performance and examine the differences in their absolute numbers across various winter driving scenarios. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV set as the reference point at 100%. On icy roads, where stopping power is critical, the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV has a slight advantage. It stops in 13.37 meters, 1.18 meters shorter than the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V3's 14.55 meters. For ice traction, Michelin is 0.32 seconds faster, accelerating from 5 to 15 kilometers per hour in 3.05 seconds compared to Bridgestone's 3.37 seconds. In ice handling, the difference is minor, with Michelin completing the lap 0.88 seconds quicker. Overall, Michelin shows slightly better control and shorter stopping distances on ice. In snow braking, both tires are close as Michelin stops at 11.25 meters, just 0.15 meters shorter than Bridgestone's 11.4 meters. Michelin also edges ahead in snow traction by 0.12 seconds. However, Bridgestone excels in snow handling, with a lap time of 73.41 seconds, 0.6 seconds faster than Michelin. This makes Bridgestone better for drivers seeking superior agility on snow. Winter tires prioritize snow and ice, but wet and dry performance are also important. In wet braking, Bridgestone leads with a stopping distance of 38.86 meters, 1.9 meters shorter than Michelin's 40.76 meters. Michelin, however, is 0.66 seconds faster in wet handling. On dry roads, Bridgestone stops 1.17 meters sooner, but Michelin scores slightly higher in subjective handling feel. For noise, Michelin is marginally quieter at 74.9 decibels versus Bridgestone's 75.3 decibels in rolling resistance, which affects fuel efficiency. Michelin also performs better with a coefficient value of 5.79 versus Bridgestone coefficient value of 6.22, which is a small but meaningful difference for eco-conscious drivers. In summary, the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV shines in ice, noise, and rolling resistance, making it a top pick for icy roads and fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V3 excels in wet and dry braking. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.